Hey everyone, how are you? What's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, my name called Dominic Emmanuel, students of Gulu University. This YouTube channel will mainly be based on educational purposes, mostly about computer skills and computer studies. I'm going to help you go over computer in this YouTube channel. So long as you help me collaborate, subscribe to my YouTube channel and we learn together. Now, as I told you earlier, without wasting time, let me just begin with the word computer. And let me give a brief definition of the word computer in simple terms. A computer is an electronic device that accepts data as an input and transforms it to give the desired output known as information. In simple terms, it accepts data as an input. What you enter in the computer, and the computer processes it to give you the feedback, and the feedback is what we call information, and it's useful to the end user. Now, that's a brief definition of the word computer. After that, this computer I told you about, it performs five basic operations. That is input, storage, processing, and output. Let me break these five terms in simple in simple ways to make you easily understand. The first one is input. Input is the process of entering data in a computer. What to put in a computer, it is called input. The second one is processing. Is a process where the computer transforms the input you have entered to give you the desired information, which is more valuable to the end user. The next one is storage. This is the ability of a computer to store what it has processed for both now and future use. That's basically storage. Then the last one is output. This is the ability of a computer to give you the results of your input. It is known as feedback and or information, and it is always very useful to the user. Those are the five basic operations a computer performs. Now, in this video, as I told you earlier, I'm going to teach you everything about computer. Let me begin with a computer, basically on a laptop computer. How to open a computer, how to switch off a computer, how to create a folder, and how to do practicals in a computer and theory. I'm going to guide you all in all the parts. To begin with, how to open a computer, you see, let me begin with a laptop computer. In a laptop computer, it has a button. Okay, if you are to check the keyboard section, leave around the numeric keys and the alphanumeric keys and the numerical keys. If you are to check, there is a lonely button at the top right corner of your YouTube channel. That's the it usually contains some light. The light is round in color. That's the button for opening a computer. If you tap on it, if you want to open your computer, you tap on it, you click it, and the computer opens display for you your output on the screen. That's basically how to open a computer. And how to switch off a computer, you come to your home screen or your desktop screen, and you look for where there is a window button is. You come and click on it, and after clicking on it, it will give you a list of commands. Like mine here, let me first try to do it. My computer is kind of slow, but I'm going to work on it. Let me place on the in my main screen. I come down here. There's this window here. I click on it, and there's this power button. The one you see on your keyboard is the same. You will see on your screen here. You tap on it where there is power. After tapping on it, it will give for you some three options. I'm seeing lock, sleep, shutdown, and restart. But for me, since I want to shut down, I'm going to click shutdown, and the computer will automatically shut down. That is the way how to open and how to close a computer, how to shut down a computer. Now let me guide you how to create a folder. If you come on your home screen, you are going to right click either on your mouse or on your touchpad. There is a button there. You do the right clicking, and after doing the right clicking, it will give you a list of options, drop down list of options. You come to where there is new, you click on it. Where there is new, there is that arrow there. After clicking on the new, as I told you earlier, my computer is kind of slow, but I'm going to get you covered. We are going to learn everything. After clicking on new, it will give you another drop down list here. The drop down list, it will contain folder and everything, but let me first wait for mine to load first. The computer is kind of slow, but let me wait for it to load first. Wait, let me tap on it again. I'm seeing here there is new, and I'm seeing there's a folder here. You click on it where there's a folder, and it will just automatically come in your screen. Like mine, I have created it is up here, but in here. Let me just move it down. This let me move it down. Let me move it here. You see, it is here. This is the new folder I have just created right now. That's how to create a folder. And in this folder, you can also create another subfolder inside. A subfolder can be inside a folder. It's a small folder which can be inside the main folder, like this one here. I can double click on it to open. As you can see here, it is opening. And I can, after opening here, I can right click again using the same procedure as I used when creating a folder. I come here, I select on new, and if I select on new, it will give me another options. The first option is always a folder. You tap on it and it's here. I press enter. Now I already successfully created my folder and I begin to move my details inside. So thank you. The rest we are going to continue to learn in my next video. This is just a brief introduction about my channel.